Friends, good afternoon. This is Suhail Khan from BTC Money System. Today I am going to tell you about this platform which is amazing, which is marvelous, and this is a platform where now after going through lot many matrix, HIYP, rev shares, I have abandoned everything and working 200% with this program. The potential of this program, how does this work, how many people are there, when did it start, everything I'm going to cover here. And basically what all things I'm going to cover is how do you get into the system and how do you earn unlimited BTCs in the shape of the figure of 0.001 BTCs, and that is unlimited. The entry fees is bare minimum, it is 0.012. Now this is the home page of this platform, BTC Money System home. Here you can see that what it says, make bitcoins 100% safe. That means there is no chance of any scam or company going to run away, because entire money is distributed among the team members only. It is a multi-level system of operation. You can make 10,000 BTCs per year even when you are sleeping. You won't know where from this money is coming, but I'll explain you how this is happening. You can see here on the desktop itself, on the home page, you'll have to first join the system by paying a very minimal fees of 0.12 BTC, that is approximately $12. As soon as your ID gets activated after payment, you can start promoting that ID, referral ID online with your friends and all your contacts. Now how the income comes: as soon as your ID is activated, your 10 upline member get 0.001 BTCs. That means all of your money is immediately distributed among the 10 upline member, and similarly it happens when somebody down the line up to your 10th level gets into the system. Everybody above him till yourself gets part of it as 0.001. So you can see on the main page also it is shown. It is a example. They have taken a calculation of 10 members per level, whereas there is no restriction of number of joining at any level. You can have infinity even on your level 1 also. So you can see if it is 10 members just on your level 1, with 0.001 you are going to earn 0.01 BTC. That means as soon as 10 members join under your referral or below your referral at any level, your one time fees which you have given, which is valid for lifetime, that is 0.12, is back to you, and now you are earning free of cost throughout your life. And now you see the chain up to 10 level. If this thing happens, which is a example, basically you should not go as per this. You say if 50% of also this has happened at level 5, you are counting of 100 BTCs. Just seeing how big potential thing is this. And prime of it, the transparency level of this site is such that each transaction, every joinee is reflected right on the desktop. You can see on 31st, today it is 31st, the latest joinee, the transaction ID. If you click on this, you can see on blockchain that 0.001 has been distributed among the 10 members, and this is last 0.015 which is going to company, which is covering your transaction fees for this distribution, and a bare minimal 0.0005 for definitely admin charges. So now again I'll show you example how it is going to work. I'm going to demonstrate by creating an ID to my previous ID. For that, I'm going to click on this join. See what does it says. Join the system today. Referral ID, BTC address, email, your referral ID. After that, it comes. This is the referral ID of my previous ID under which I'm going to join. A BTC address they require now. Now that I have to take from my wallet, I've copied it. Now nickname, it is Rapid Hunter. Email ID, country, I'm from India, and your mobile number if you want to give. A password definitely. This is the demo number which I'm writing it, and email Facebook is optional. Now you can create an ID. Now you see, to activate your account you have to pay 0.01 BTCs at this wallet ID. Now I'm going to tell you, this is the wallet ID which has been created on server just uh, for the purpose that once you pay the amount 0.12 BTC, another top 10 line members above you are linked to this, and immediately after 1 by 3 confirmation they are going to get instantly 0.001 BTCs in their wallet. Okay guys, now I'm logging out and showing you my actual ID. I'm logging into my Prime ID, which when I joined BTC system, you can see this account is already activated. This is the referral ID. Total money earned on this is 0.064. That means approximately 64% are in this particular ID which are active. And you can see 64 are active and 167 pending. It is all level wise. 16 on this level, 16 on this level, 624 are on this level. With a predefined system in this program, we keep the follow up, and the people those who are pending they get activated sooner or later. The incoming, you can see whichever ID gets activated, immediately the transaction ID, date on which date it has been activated, the amount which has been credited to your BTC, his particular pair ID and his ID, all are there. Once I want to check who is this person, I'll have to just click on this, and you can see it takes me to the particular person, that it is so and so, friend from Pakistan. I know this is Mr. Tahir Ali. He has joined yesterday only, one of very great team leader from Pakistan. Now he is in our team also. Now back to dashboard. You can see this is a foolproof system. Nothing goes anywhere to anybody. It all comes to you, and income it comes in a shape of 0.001 BTC non-stop nonsense. That means you will be earning when even you are not knowing. You can see the number of tabs down here, how many tabs it is, and how many earnings I've earned. All 64 entries will be there for particular this IDs, and I welcome you all to join this platform. It's most wonderful, most foolproof, and most stable program which is going to run for years and years and years. Thank you very much. Good day. Happy joining and happy earning.